is pretty controversial when it comes to raising tomatoes, but I want to show you something. Many times tomatoes suffer from diseases like blight, and the reason why is because they need air to breathe. Many people think that they should not tend to their tomato plants, to just let them grow and they will produce what they produce. But I want to show you the difference. When you look in the tomato plants here, you can see that they're in a very busy stage. They're flowering, they're blooming, they're growing, they're producing fruit. But when you look down here, you will see that there's not a lot of air getting in here. And the reason why is because of these sucker leaves. These right here are sucker leaves. I don't know if I could break it with my thumb. I can't. But I have taken the sucker leaves off of this plant here. Do you see the difference? These plants can now breathe. So I leave it with you. Do what you think is best. But I'm going to keep it going, how my tomatoes turn out, and bring it all to you, as you can see right here. So I keep a couple just to keep them sturdy and upright. I don't want the sun to scald the tomatoes, so I am going to leave a canopy. But even as the wind is blowing right here, you can see that the air is able to get in compared to the ones that I have not done yet. Plus, you get to see how many tomatoes God is growing in your garden. So here's a follow-up video. Now, a few weeks ago, I showed you why I took the sucker leaves off of the tomatoes and kept a canopy on them. When you do this, it gives the tomato plant energy to grow more tomatoes instead of focusing on sucker leaves. You can see the difference now. So there's a beautiful canopy on the top, which is protecting all of the tomatoes underneath. And look how many tomatoes there are. I've been raising tomatoes for a while, and I thank God I never had to deal with blight or disease, and I know the reason is because they can breathe. So I'm very excited. Look how many tomatoes there are. Now, I also wanted to say that I put these little stakes in, and the reason why I do that is because these plants have so much weight on them. The weight of the tomatoes is amazing, and I tie them up, and when the rain comes, I don't have to worry about them all falling over. So they're doing really well, and now you're able to see the different kinds. Just look at this San Marzano. This San Marzano is up to my shoulders already, and it is July 11th. The ox hearts are getting huge. I can't wait to show them to you when they're done. But I'm gonna wait because summer goes by too fast as it is. So I leave it up to you. Some people say you should never take the sucker leaves off. I say absolutely. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to your comments. And if there's anything you would like to see, please leave a comment below.